Today we are going to make crunchy pizza cakes, but before we begin, we must wash our hands. Let's begin by turning on the water. Get our hands wet. Get 1 squirt of soap and scrub our hands for 20 seconds. We need to scrub the front of our hands, the back of our hands, in between our fingers, underneath our nails, and even our wrists. We need to do this for 20 seconds. You could count to 20, you could sing a song like ABCs or Happy Birthday, but once you are done scrubbing your hands for 20 seconds, you can rinse the soap off. Then get a towel to dry your hands and use it to turn off the water. You will need either a bagel or a rice cake. We are going to use a bagel. Take your pizza sauce and a knife and spread it on your bagel. Once your bagel is fully covered with pizza sauce, take some cheese and put it on your bagel. Then take any toppings you would like. We are going to use orange peppers and put it on your bagel. And there you have a crunchy pizza cake.